Hello there. Today I printed a case for my Huawei Y7 Pro in PLA. Took about 5 hours to complete. I have modified this one a little bit because it was open in the back. All this part here was cut out and it broke on the sides here, so I decided to make it like this instead. And since I have one of these smart cables with a magnet, I could make the hole quite small, but it works. And a cheap case, not a lot of material because it's all these holes here, but it also make it nice for grip. I can put my fingers in the hole and keep it there. So this is my Huawei Y7 Pro. Thank you for watching.